Today, let's create my very first composition book coaster. Starting off with a personalized name sticker. We're about to place it right in the center of our coaster. I had already prepared the sticker last night, with the help of my Cricut maker. Let's make sure that all the corners are down and flat. I managed to mix up 40 milliliters of epoxy resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I absolutely love this resin. So, I'm going to add a thin layer, basically just to cover the sticker. And to secure our next steps, smooth out the resin so that it covers the sticker completely. Now I'm going to grab my heat gun. We're going to hit the coaster with a little bit of heat. This purpose is to get most of the air bubbles out of it. Air bubbles are tricky, so sometimes I'll spray the coaster with alcohol. The alcohol helps to pop the bubbles that the heat gun doesn't. Alright, so we're looking pretty good so far. Now, we'll place a pink eraser right here. Not to forget, a cute little apple. Because, you know, apples and teachers just go hand in hand. We'll add a yellow paper clip at the bottom. Had to change it around a little bit. And then, for the last step, we'll add a blue thumbtack at the top. The reason we're doing this is to make it look like the thumbtack is actually holding it up.